The concern here, Mami, it's about your young daughter. I'm fond of this child, and now I'm worried why the child is not going to school. And when I tried having a word with the child, you can tell it's uyaksaba.
Why do you keep my business in your business?
No, the concern is about the child.
How can you let a girl child to sleep with multiple partners just because of when you wanna get money?
It's none of your guys' business.
Mama,
Leave
ke
me
business
and
ya
my-
rona, motho
Leave
mo-
me my family alone. Yes. It's none of your business.
Come several times.
Mama, ke pesegate ya hae because of when you not
As
taking.
jaar besigheid is, kom met mensen hier in my yard en vir my kom vertel van my kamagosha.
Where's the daughter?
She's inside.
Rachel.
Yes, this is the daughter.
Rachel, how are you?
Well, thanks.
Why are you crying, my love?
I'm afraid he's gonna beat me, my mother. I can't speak.
Don't lie.
No.
Don't lie.
Mama.
Don't lie.
Mama.
I won't beat you.
Yeah.
I won't.
Hi guys, I'm back again, the lovers, and I just want to say thank you for always subscribing and always sharing and always viewing our videos, especially guys not forgetting the movies. I just want to say thank you for being consistent. Josie Bioscope movies.
Shindwana Josie Bioscope movies ungalibali ukusubscribe. I think tshele nalabo. Mfethu subscribe.
Gatle. Hello, I am so super excited to be here, excited about the new episode we got to have today, and that's exactly about Josie Bioscope Real Stories. For those who don't know me, I am Lady Blue, and for those who already know me, thanks for always tuning in without forgetting to email us on josiebioscope.co.za. So guys, today ke inboxeditswe ke Ose Melissa. Ose Melissa wa tseba Ose Blue ke na le bothatanyana pelo wa ka ba bohloko. Ho na le makhelwane wa ka o dulang strateng sa ka, o dula le step daughter sa hae. A wa tseba makhelwane wa ka ha tswa for a rekise ngwana hae hore banna ba robale ngwana hae because of ntate wa ngwana ha sa phela and stuff. So guys, ntho tloetsa ke tlotsa makile bona Ose Melissa ga ntantla re ngolla batlo re khalmele makhelwane eo hore at least ngwana ho eziwe something ka ena o re tshwaretseng ke tlo gutla le Ose Melissa. Yes baby. Hi guys, I'm back again, Ose Melissa. Ose Melissa le kae?
Ngiyaphila njani sisiyo?
Ke teng motho moholo kopa o tse di viewers tsa Josie Bioscope wa go ngolletse.
Nginiphalele ngoba I've got a very big problem. Ngihlushwa not to say ngihlushwa umakhelwane, but I'm very concerned ngomntwana ohlala next door nakwami. Umama wakhe, which is his stepmother sakhe, is ill-treating the child. Uyamthengisa, umntwana akasayi nokuya esikolweni because there's just men in and out of the yard, which is my concern. I've tried everywhere ukuthola usizo, so ngibhalele kini to please assist me. I need help.
So ubaba umntana kuphi?
Baba umntwana akekho. So bamshiye with the stepmother. So stepmother instead ukuthi abe responsible anakekele umntwana uphila ngaye. Uyamthengisa ebantwini in and out day in and day out.
So sekisikhathi singakanani umuntu omdala lo mama yenze or since ukusukela nje?
Since ukusukela I've noticed ukuthi eqaleni bengithi maybe I'm a relative and things like that, but now I see ukuthi it's actually a habit. Umntwana ngizamile ukuthi ngikhulume naye. She's not so open about it, but mina njengomuntu omdala ngiyabona ukuthi akho right la.
So my sis, okay, let me ask ukuthi lo mntana lo sangena isikolo na?
Drop out.
Utlweletse isikolo?
Yeah.
Okay. So bateng ska no utlile so.
Bakhona. I made sure ukuthi before ngiza kini bakhona.
Okay. So ntho re tlo yetsang he guys, re tlo tsamaya le Ose mona, re tsamaya re lo bonang hore ha re tsamaya guys. Re tsamaya my sis re lo bona hore wena ha ntle. Mama o bothata ba hae keng wa utlwisisa? Ska ha tlo rekisa ngwana hore yena a thole tšhelete, wa utlwisisa?
Ngicela ukubuza nje mama. Labantu abangena bephuma usho wena njengomakhelwane ukuthi akusingama relative. Because asifuna ukuthi manje yakubone, anifuna ukuthi sifike lapho kanti fumanise ukuthi bathi hayi ngumalume lona ohlala kuphi.
Ngizamile ukuthi ngikhulume nomntwana. Uyambona ukuthi she needs help, but she's not so akana that thing ukuthi akhulume. Mara uyambona ukuthi there is something wrong. So mina ngaeda one on one. Ngabona ukuthi actually lo mama lo udayisa umntwana wakhe, uyamkhoshisa. Yabo. In the house.
So ubona ngokuthi umntana makayeke isikolo mama beka ngana ndaba.
Yes. Mina bangijwe ukuthi mangithi abantwana bami esikolweni bengimbona. All of a sudden umntwana angisamboni. Akasayi esikolweni. So that's how I added on. Ngazama I tried to get help but no help. So yikho ngibhalele kini to please assist to step into the matter ya.
Oh I want to wena motho omholo. Ntho tlo yetsang re tlo tsamaya ke re vele ska ntse re tsamaya. Re mo bone mo ranta ntle bothata ba hae keng asna pilo entle asina pelo e sharp yo ba mme and especially etsa ngwana so
yes
funa le ntho tse tshwana le malwetsi a re bua nakong ya no batho ba kula batho ba hlelwa ke ntho tse dingata
yes and lo mntana lo ngimazi from back then singena ngapha sisi
kena mo cameraman.
So it breaks my heart ukumbona in this kind of a situation because lo mntana lo ukhule phambi kwami yikho ngibona ukuthi manje ngoba ubaba kasekho usele ne-stepmother, ama-situation akusahlangani.
Hayi as long as nje vele muntu omdala. Hey motho mo lo kena pele ona ntjaki wena o kena nna pele. Hey ntwana. Usithole sesinya izinja. Muntu omdala ufaka mina. Ayikho.
Mara ngicabanga ukuthi ukhona ne mama.
Make sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coco.
Coco.
Hello.
Age mama le kae? How are you?
Teng, mama.
Re teng. Re kopa o bua le wena. Can we please talk to you?
Talk about what, mama?
Kopa o tswe ka montle mama. And o utlwe.
Can you come outside,
Yeah,
mama,
please.
please?
Le kae motho mo?
I'm all right, and you, Lala?
I'm also doing okay. So mama, we from Josie Bioscope, okay?
Yes.
I'm Lady Blue, by the way.
Okay.
So yes, my sis here wrote to us, so I will give her a chance to talk to you. My sis, over to you, please.
Yes. As I mentioned, uyekelo mother,
Yeah.
the stepmom,
Mama,
womntwana.
yes.
Yes. The concern here, mami, it's about your young daughter. Ngibhalele kubo for assistance that the child is no longer going to school because of the men that are coming in and out.
What does it have to do with you, ma'am? Why do you keep my business in your business?
No, the concern is about the child because I'm fond of this child and now I'm worried why the child is not going to school. And when I tried having a word with the child, you can tell it's uyakusaba.
Mama, I can also she's worried about the child's future. Okay, yes. So when you not, so since you not, she saw it as an opportunity to call us here to make sure that when ntoto di etsang tse wrong di a hlahella ene le hore o di stop.
No, my child is bringing money in to us because as you can see, there's nothing coming in.
She's bringing money to you.
Yes. It's life, yes.
Is that life? As a parent?
Yes.
So mama, lo mntana uletha imali kuwe kanjani? I just wanna know.
Yeah.
She brings everyday money for me.
How? Because she's not working.
Ngogumkhoshisa.
How does she know my child is Khosha?
I
Why?
see the men come in and out on a daily basis. I see it. I'm witness to it. I've went out, tried getting help, no assistance. You can't palele. So here it
But
is.
she's not my only daughter. I've got other daughters as well.
Yeah, because of Akiri, she's not the only daughter. She's your stepdaughter.
Yes.
So that's why you're using her. You're using her for your own needs and for your own benefits.
It's none of your business.
It's
people.
my business because of I'm doing my work and I'm here to help you, mom, because we are sick.
We don't need your help.
You don't need my help.
Yes, we don't
Then
need
you do today, mommy.
Okay.
Mama, why are you selling your child?
It's none of your business.
It's our business.
No, brother, it's none of your business.
Because we take that as our sister.
That is bringing money into our.
So why you know it's a crime what you're doing?
It's not a crime.
It is a crime.
You can take me to the highest.
How can you let a girl child to sleep with multiple partners just because of when you wanna get money? Just because of when you're using her to make sure when you eat something.
It's none of your guys' business.
Mama,
Leave
ke
me
business
and
ya
my-
rona, motho
Leave
mo.
me my family alone.
What about the child's future? School?
Yeah, there's a future for her.
Future. Kopancho
It's
tsa
a very
future
good-
king.
It's a very good future for my child.
foreign to get multiple.
Yes.
yeah,
yes.
Witnesses? Let's talk about that.
She's using protection.
Mama, you even proud, Batum.
I am very,
Yeah,
very proud
understand
of
that Mama who use a protection. He didn't have the audacity to tell us that she's using protection. You don't even respect the fact that you are wrong. You don't even show any remorse, Mama. When you are proud, can't show yetsang because of
old men. For her, but
she's using protection.
Listen, yeah, Pakela.
Yeah.
Take your people that you come with and just move away from my property.
I think it will be best if removal wena then.
Yes. It's none of your business.
I've come several times.
Mama, ke bese re itia high because of when you not
As
taking.
jy haar besigheid is, kom met mense hier in my hart en vir my kom vertel van my kamagoshas.
Mina, I've come several times trying to get help for Lomtana Law. And every
Every
time
time jy kom help, ek kan myself na die social workers. Hoekom nie social workers toe gaan nie? Hoekom nie social workers toe gaan nie?
Today, social worker. We are the social worker today. We are here.
Ek stel nie belang aan een van julle nie.
We don't care. Muni, fuck off.
Jy lyk te veel goed as jy. Hoekom hou jy nie jou eie besigheid nie? Jy moet jou eie besigheid.
Mama, ke ditaba tsa hae, lo ka re ke di besigheid. Ke ditaba tsa
mense so
hae.
goed is.
Wena mama, you are sick.
I am not sick. And who are you?
She
likes to bash people's things as
But you
woman.
are bad.
She comes
You are
out of the
selling
street.
your child.
Why doesn't she?
Mama,
Yes,
you
it
are
was
selling your
herself
child.
now like
You are
this.
selling a girl child.
It's right.
Does
It's
that-
right.
Mama,
Yeah,
wena
it's
abuse
money.
di right
It's
tsa ngwana
not
wa
abuse,
nyana.
that's- This is not
Mommy,
abuse.
hey, you are abusing her. Why?
You like too much things. Get out of my face, you.
For what?
I'm gonna eat this
For
woman.
what?
I'm gonna eat this woman.
Mama, please, because we're gonna deal with you.
You can deal with me. You can take me to the highest court. I
Mama,
don't care.
wena usela wena mama
It's
upilu
lies.
empi.
Why do you?
Where's the daughter? Where's the daughter?
She's inside.
Rachel.
Makaphume.
It's a Rachel mo. Rachel, come. Come, my love, come. We'll talk to you. Come.
Yes, this is the daughter.
Rachel, how are you?
Well, thanks.
I'm also doing okay. Are you okay with your mom?
Why are you crying? Come. No, we are here to protect you. Don't worry. Why are you crying, Mama?
Be honest, Rochelle.
Hi.
Yeah.
This one. She likes too much things. She likes too much things.
The child
My
is
child,
concerned.
the boyfriend just left her. That is why she's crying.
Mama. Mama.
Keep quiet, Mama.
Oh. Mama.
Speak up.
Don't worry.
Rochelle, why are you crying, my love?
Yes, speak up.
I'm afraid.
Of
You're
what?
off what, baby?
I'm afraid.
Of what?
I hear
She's
what you
gonna
are-
beat me.
No.
Who will beat you?
She's gonna beat me, my mother. I can't speak.
Don't lie.
No.
Don't lie.
Mama.
Don't lie.
Mama.
I won't beat
Hey,
you.
yeah.
I won't beat her.
Mama, you see now.
Why must I beat her?
Don't provoke us. Because we'll deal with you dismally. You'll never believe it. Oh, you can talk.
Mama,
Talk.
please,
Be
because kamu disturb ani habua because of nakwa we taught and ekibonu you are a sick mother. You are so sick.
You keep quiet. You keep quiet. I'm so.
You also keep quiet.
I don't want to. It's my child.
I sleep with multiple men. Then they leave money.
Mama, mara kidding choto de tsanse nyontanga kan.
It's none of you guys. Can you just leave?
Bona ke business ya rona
just
with
on
multiple
you,
partners.
On whose
You shut
expense?
up. You.
On whose expense?
You shut
When
up.
Mama, when you see
On
you,
whose
man.
expense?
We see you.
The
We see
child's
you.
life.
We respect
Yes,
elders, but
you don't respect.
we're gonna deal
You
with you.
you can't deal.
We can-
You can't deal with me.
You are,
Hi, you can't
you
deal
are
with
nothing
me.
but a Satan.
It's right.
A devil in flesh.
It's right. And you guys get away from me.
Mama, yo, ay, mama, whoa, mama, no.
Get away from
Osh,
me. Get
Modimo.
away from me.
Yes,
You
sis.
see what
Get
you're
away
doing
from
now. We see what you're
Me
doing
o
now.
mara king, o ye. O rekisa bana le digaraf king. Mami.
Every time
Mr. Johnson,
I come
can't you?
here, this is exactly
Mami,
what she does.
Mami,
These
stop
are
being
her
dramatic.
ways.
Mother,
These
it's
are her
anything
ways.
you do.
Yes.
You wanna hit us now?
Yes.
Stop being dramatic.
Leave my property.
Because of wena ntantle
Come
uma
here with the child. This is the same thing that happens.
You know we are recording.
Yeah,
you know
you
we
know
are
this.
recording everything.
You have a gun.
Don't stop me, man. Please don't.
You have a gun.
Don't stop me.
You know you are.
Don't
telling
stop me.
yourself you have a
Can you?
gun.
Don't stop me. Don't stop me, please.
This child is always being threatened.
Man,
That
no,
is
We
One
have all
thing.
the
Always
evidence.
threatened.
Now let's go. Let's
One
go.
thing, mama, oh, because of Nchota Dietang, this sale. This sale and Nchota Dietang. Mommy,
Bonele.
I want to tell you this. I want to tell you this. You are not a praying woman.
This is what we do.
Mommy, you are so heartless. You need God inside your heart.
Go.
You must start praying and I'll pray for you.
Why you stepchild?
I'm gonna show you.
Anytime, mommy. Anytime. Anytime.
You heartless. Oh, heartless, me oh.
Anytime.
You heartless, mommy. You heartless, mama. You heartless.
Yeah.
God will deal with you, man. Oh, heartless, unalipilo empe. You are heartless. And God will deal with you. How? Uifu unimme oh.
Umntwana akaye esikolweni ngenxa yakhe lo mama lo. This child has so much potential, but instead, what is she doing? Draining the child's potential. Ngala madoda amadala. Abanye bayagula, you never know.
It's fine, Mtomolo.
So much
Guys,
trauma
in
for the
Torito
child.
yetsang fela ko watse ba ke tholong ngwana di social worker re tla itsamaisa semlao. Re tla bona re le sure re tsa jwa mara ngwana o tshwantsa make sure di social working jo teng. Ai mama keng mara. Ai man. Ai. How? Mama when are you heartless man? Ai. Mr. Jones, one shop. Ai. Oh man mama. What are you doing? How are you bambisana ish man? Athi umathi ontshwara letsa bohloko so. Ai guys le bone go mo batlilang shapa go batlila etsa eng. Ai o heartless mara guys ntho tlo etsa ga rena chance. One sharp or run sharp o sala nkitsa malava sin Mr. Jones. Ke protected Tamnat. Ntho tlo etsa fela guys go ngwana o remisa di social working ga rata sa rate. Ke a le rata yes babe.